Hey guys, how is it going? It's your boy Gaz9919 here, and what we're going to be doing today is a oil change on the 5 Series. Now this oil, it is, I don't know what grade it is, I forgot what it is. I haven't really owned Beamers before, but it takes 8.25 litres of oil. So what I've done is I bought 10 litres of oil, 2 5-litre oils, and obviously a oil filter. I bought some sort of low ramps because the ramps I do have, they're just too big, and if I try and drive up them, it's just going to rip the bumper off. So I need to get something a bit lower. It probably will be a bit more awkward because I'll have less space to work than what I would on, say, a Fiesta or something, but it needs to be done, so let's get on it.
Right, so first things first, we're going to start the engine because obviously we need to make the oil nice and warm. This is one of the reasons why I do want to get the glow plugs done at some point, because as you can see that was a really rough start. It took a bit of going and it started eventually, but I think that is down to glow plugs on the way out. Probably will ease it a little once I do get the oil changed, so it'll make the engine run a bit freer. But yeah, for the time being we're just going to get this started, get the oil warmed up. And then I've just put a ramp on that side because I'm on the curb on this side, so I think that should give me enough room to work under there. But we'll find out anyway, and if that doesn't work, then I'll find something else. So first we need to remove the old filter. It's a 32mm socket. So you probably can't see it, but the sump plug is there, and that is how we're going to drain it from the engine. Got this little service flap that comes down. Okay, so here's one bowl full of oil and the other one is trickling into now. Right, so that's the new oil put in, and it's sort of in the middle of the stick. I probably will have to add a bit more because it's still got to circulate around the block and whatnot. I'm just going to start it now, let it circulate, warm up, and then check the level again. It seems to be running rather nice and smooth.
Right then guys, so that is the oil change done, and well, it was an oil change. It was a bit different to the usual oil changes on the Fiesta because obviously this engine had bloody 10 litres of oil in it. So one of the shots there where I think you've seen with the bowl and the oil was basically brimming on the bowl, that was very sketchy to try and get that into containers. So obviously you don't want to spill oil, it's quite a dangerous thing to be spilling and messing about with, but luckily I managed to do it with very minimal sort of effect. So obviously I've managed to get that into a container and got it off to the recycling centre where they can dispose of the oil properly. But anyway, yeah, the old oil, I honestly think that has been in the car for easy about 15,000 miles. Easy. This is why it really did need to be done. You know, the oil was obviously black, but then again, you can't really go off that for the colour because I mean it's diesel, so 9 times out of 10 most of the oils are just black straight away. It's just a diesel thing, isn't it? But yeah, you know, it runs a bit smoother. I don't think I really noticed too much of a difference in the MPG, but it's peace of mind at the end of the day, and obviously, as we all know, bad oil can kill an engine, so this is why it's always best to keep on top of it. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, guys, peace.